Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your oil. The first thing you do is pop your hood. Not everybody does it, but I do it just to increase airflow. Remove your oil cap. That's this cap. It'll say your oil type on it. Make sure you get the right oil. Next thing you're gonna do is get underneath your car, locate your oil filter and your drain plug. You need to remove each of those. I typically just use a wrench and then an oil filter wrench to remove the oil filter with the wrench on the end and an extension. Here, let me see. That'll give you a view of both of them on there. After this finishes draining, I'll remove the old oil filter. After both those are removed, just let the oil drain into the oil pan. Make sure you put that oil pan under there before you start taking stuff. Start taking off the drain plug and the oil filter. If not, you'll get oil all over the ground. And I typically just wait about 5-10 minutes. Let it finish draining. This is my new oil filter. Some people will say to use new oil. I was told to use old oil and wipe it around the rim until it's completely coated. And then afterwards grab new oil and fill that up with new oil. By the way, something I left out, when you're putting oil on the new filter around that ring, that's just to help it seal better so you don't get any oil leaks. Like I said, I fill that up with new oil. That's what it's gonna look like. And then install it where you took the old one off. Install the new oil filter, put your drain plug back. Something I left out, this is the old seal for the old filter. Make sure that doesn't stick up there. If that's stuck up there, remove it. If not, you're gonna have leaks and you don't want your oil leaking out. And then I use a funnel and where you took that cap off, that's actually where you put the oil back in. Oil. After you fill up the oil, remove this. I usually let it sit for a couple minutes and then I check the oil. This truck takes 5 quarts. I've changed the oil a few times. It's actually my work truck, and you should be good to go. But give it about 5-10 minutes and then check your oil. As long as your oil level is good, you're fine. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. Go ahead and pull this out and check your oil, see where your oil level's at. Oil's in the operating range. Typically I try to keep it completely full, so you should be good. All right, if this video helped you guys out, helped you with changing your oil, like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you would. If you have any suggestions or anything you want to see done, I know quite a bit about cars, and I'll keep uploading content. Thanks.